Name is Sandy. We found LeafFilter online, and the appointment was set up very quickly. The representative came out. He sat at the kitchen table with my husband and myself. We're 72. We moved into a new home, and although they had put gutters up, they didn't have any leaf filters. So the process was very simple. The price was, we thought, was great. About maybe a week later, it was scheduled for the job to begin. Gentleman showed up, very polite, very nice, had a mask on. He worked very hard, very friendly, actually. It took him a little longer than he thought because we have 1,800 feet of gutter. So anyway, he worked very hard. He came back early the next day. He cleaned up everything. There were nails, of course, but he cleaned up everything, and we're very, very satisfied with the job. I would recommend LeafFilter to all my friends.